Hello there, boys and girls, and welcome to this episode where you have to help Junior to get to loving mom and dad. In order to do that, you have to complete this puzzle. Okay, good luck! This is our puzzle. First of all, we have the key challenge. We have to unlock each lock. I think this should open the orange lock. What do you think? Great job! Let's continue. Now we have left the purple key. What do you think? Will the purple key match the purple lock? You are right! Now the final key, the blue key. What do you think? Where should we go with the blue key? You are right! We should go to the blue lock. Great! Yay! Congratulations! You have completed first level. Now Junior has passed the foxes. Can Junior pass by the evil spider? Well, it's up to you. Okay, let's go on to the next challenge. We have to pick the shapes. We are lucky. If you recognize the color, we can match the shapes more easily. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, this is a green triangle. Where can we fit this? Right! We fit the green triangle. Next shape. Do you recognize this shape? This shape is the perfect match for the blue square. Wow, it's going great. Next shape is a red circle. Great, and here we have red. Perfect match. Wow, what do we have here? This is a more complicated shape, but we are lucky because we recognize that it is yellow. And here we have a perfect match.